welcome to Promat. We're just wrapping up day 3 of the world's largest material handling show. I'm Amy Hilliard, Vertical Marketing Lead for Manufacturing and Transportation and Logistics for the Americas, working for Zebra Technologies. The theme of this year's conference was Solving for X, and we had a lot of customers come through our booth, and they had lots of business challenges that we were happy to help assist with. Promat has over 900 exhibitors and 40,000 attendees, and we've had a great turnout, a record-breaking turnout in the Zebra booth. We were able to launch 3 new products. Probably the crown jewel of all the products we launched was Smart Pack Trailer, and we built a trailer to have in the booth to demonstrate how we're helping companies that need to optimize their trailer loads pack those more densely and more efficiently so they can optimize efficiencies and have greater cost savings when they're going on the road with deliveries. We also, on the manufacturing side, launched Network Connect, which was very well received by our plant floor customers that want to find a way to securely add automation such as scanning and printing to their factory floors. And then lastly, we also launched Lifeguard for Android, which is the reassuring message to our customers that are going to the Android operating system that they've got nothing to worry about. Zebra's going to stand with them through the life of their product and not follow the consumer quick turn schedules. So everybody that we talked to was really happy to come to the Zebra booth and hear how we're not only just launching great products, but we're also taking solutions one step forward to help them solve business problems.